Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make a Pinterest account public. Now let me go ahead and open up my profile and show you that it's actually private. So I've clicked here on my profile and then I'll click here on view profile. And you see this icon right here, right? It shows that my profile is basically private and only the approved followers can view my profile, pins, boards, followers, and my following list. When I go to make it public, all I need to do is come here and click on this more options, okay, the settings cog, and then you want to go ahead and click on settings. Now, here click on profile visibility, right, and make sure this is toggled off, okay? If you toggle this one off, you will be able to make your profile public. So come here and click on save. There we go. And our profile visibility has been saved. Okay, so this will refresh the page. And then I'll go ahead and go to my profile, click on view profile, and there we go. Our profile is now public.